Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Roamer. If you've ever dreamed of setting off on an adventure all by yourself, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to solo travel with essential tips and tricks that will ensure your journey is safe, enjoyable, and unforgettable. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time solo explorer, these insights will help you make the most of your adventure. So, let's get started. Number 1. Planning and research. Our first tip is all about planning and research. A well-planned trip can make all the difference, especially when traveling solo. Before you set off, dive deep into learning about your destination. This includes understanding the cultural norms, local laws, and major attractions. Knowing what to expect helps you avoid surprises and better navigate new environments. Check travel advisories, health precautions, and weather conditions to pack appropriately. Book your accommodations in advance, especially for the first few nights. Look for places with high ratings, central locations, and good security. Websites like Booking.com, Airbnb, and Hostelworld can provide detailed reviews from other travelers. Having a safe and comfortable place to stay gives you peace of mind and a good base to start exploring. Don't forget to note down important emergency contacts. This includes the local embassy or consulate, local emergency numbers, and contacts back home. Having these readily available can be crucial in case of an emergency. Lastly, create a loose itinerary. While it's great to have a plan, leave some room for spontaneity. You never know what hidden gems you might discover along the way. With thorough planning and research, you set the foundation for a smooth and enjoyable solo trip. Number 2, be open-minded. Tip number 2 is to be open-minded. Solo travel is as much about personal growth as it is about exploring new places. Embrace the culture and traditions of the places you visit. Try to learn a few basic phrases in the local language. Even a simple hello or thank you can go a long way in building rapport with locals. Don't shy away from trying new foods or participating in local customs. These experiences often become the highlights of your trip. Be open to spontaneous adventures. Say yes to that invitation from a friendly local, join a group tour, or explore off-the-beaten-path locations. Some of the best travel stories come from unexpected experiences. Solo travel can come with its challenges, but facing these head-on can be incredibly rewarding. Whether it's navigating a new city without speaking the language or finding your way after getting lost, overcoming these obstacles boosts your confidence and adaptability. Most importantly, use this time to reflect. Solo travel offers a unique opportunity for self-discovery. Embrace the solitude, enjoy your own company, and let the journey transform you. Number 3, maximizing your accommodations. Next up, let's talk about maximizing your accommodations. Your choice of lodging can significantly impact your travel experience. Consider staying in hostels or guest houses if you're on a budget and looking to meet fellow travelers. These places often have common areas where you can socialize and exchange travel tips. Many hostels also organize group activities, making it easier to connect with others. Airbnb and homestays can offer a more local experience. Staying with a host who knows the area well can provide you with insider tips and a deeper connection to the place you're visiting. Look for accommodations with high ratings and positive reviews. Choose accommodations in central locations to minimize transportation costs and time. Being close to major attractions and public transport hubs makes exploring much easier and more convenient. Plus, it can add to the sense of safety, especially if you're out late. Comfort and security should be top priorities. Look for places with good security measures, like 24-hour reception or secure lockers. A comfortable bed and clean facilities are essential for a good night's rest after a day of exploring. Take advantage of the amenities your accommodation offers. Whether it's a free breakfast, a guided tour, or a cozy lounge area, these extras can enhance your stay and provide opportunities to meet other travelers. Number 4, utilizing technology. Our fourth tip is all about utilizing technology to enhance your solo travel experience. Travel apps are your best friends. Use navigation apps like Google Maps to find your way around and locate nearby attractions, restaurants, and services. Download offline maps in case you don't have internet access. Language barriers? No problem. Apps like Google Translate can help you communicate with locals and understand signs and menus. Practice a few phrases and use the app to fill in the gaps. Keep your travel plans organized with itinerary apps like TripIt. These apps can store your flight details, accommodation bookings, and activity schedules in one place, making it easy to access your plans on the go. Join travel forums and social media groups to connect with other solo travelers. Platforms like Facebook and Reddit have communities where you can ask for advice, find travel companions, and share your experiences. Stay connected by getting a local SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device. This ensures you have internet access for navigation, staying in touch with loved ones, and accessing important information. Number 5. Documenting your journey. Our final tip is about documenting your journey. Solo travel is full of unforgettable moments, and capturing these memories is a great way to relive and share your experiences. Keep a travel journal to jot down your thoughts, experiences, and reflections. Writing about your day-to-day adventures helps you process your journey and creates a personal keepsake. Photography is another fantastic way to document your travels. Whether you're using a professional camera or just your smartphone, capturing the sights, people, and moments of your trip creates a visual diary. Don't forget to take photos of yourself enjoying the journey. These personal shots can be some of the most cherished. Consider starting a travel vlog. Recording videos of your adventures can be a fun way to share your experiences with friends and family, and even build a following if you're consistent. Talk about your day, share travel tips, and show the highlights of each destination. Share your journey on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Posting updates, photos, and videos not only keeps your loved ones updated, but also inspires others who might be considering solo travel. Finally, create a scrapbook or photo album when you return home. Collecting tickets, maps, postcards, and other memorabilia alongside your photos makes for a tangible memory book that you can look back on for years to come. And there you have it, fellow solo travelers. With these tips and tricks, you're now equipped to embark on your own solo adventure with confidence and excitement. Remember, solo travel is not just about exploring new places, but also about discovering yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Roamer for more travel tips and guides, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me, and happy travels!